Shenzhen Weiker Technology stands as a leading high-tech enterprise, excelling in the research, development, design, and manufacturing of portable air pumps, turbojet fans, compressed air dusters, and innovative power products. Our air dusters, developed and produced with meticulous attention to quality, have successfully obtained CE, EMC, FCC, RoHS certifications, ensuring compliance with international safety and environmental standards, boasting robust research and development capabilities, exceptional market support, and a commitment to delivering top-notch service. Our products have garnered widespread acclaim from customers worldwide, renowned for their outstanding performance and sleek, aesthetically pleasing designs. Our offerings stand out in the market,